AvPro presents the HAWKER 850 XP, serial number 764. The HAWKER 850 XP is one of the most successful private jets that British Aerospace ever made, an upgraded version of the original HAWKER 800 XP. The 850 XP offers greater range, improved climb performance, higher cruise speed, and the ability to land on shorter runways. Serial number 764 is configured with a 7-passenger interior, refurbished in 2020 by Aircraft Unlimited. The seating arrangement features a 4-place club followed by 3 aft cabin individual seats. A separate, uninstalled, interchangeable 3-place divan is included. A customized bifold door installation for the forward cabin area is also featured. The well-equipped forward galley amenities include a microwave and refreshment center. Additional features include a Collins ProLine 21 Advanced Style Modernization Package, synthetic vision system, and Airshow 4000 with forward and aft bulkhead monitors. The HAWKER 850 XP, serial number 764, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.